Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this one, let us talk about the biggest scam of 2020, the data structures and algorithm trap. Now this is going to be a complete series of different type of traps that I saw in 2020. The first one is definitely data structures and algorithm. Now I'm going to talk about a quick short story and then I'm going to discuss about this topic in depth. So recently, one of my junior contacted me and told me that he has completed the entire data structures and algorithm basics to advanced curriculum from a famous platform. Then he has also practiced approx 50 to 100 questions on that platform and also on lead code. But the problem is he is not able to get a referral. So he has spent approx 6 to 8 months on a particular data structures and algorithm course, practice, content, everything, but he is not able to grab a job. Something similar happened with many of the students last year also. And here the problem with DSA trap comes in. Now at this point of time there are multiple platforms, there are multiple courses and a big bunch of YouTubers that are promoting DSA, and I am one of them. I am talking about courses. I have my own DSA course. Now what is the problem? Is the problem about the platforms? Is the problem with the YouTubers or is the problem with the courses? No, it's the problem with the student. Don't dislike me, please watch this video completely. I mean, watch this video till the end. The problem with student is they want to learn data structures and algorithm but they don't know why. Most of them trying to get into FANG. But the biggest thing is not data structures and algorithm, it's the referral system. At this point of time, if you jump onto Zomato, if you want to get into Zomato as a employee, you cannot get into Zomato with data structures and algorithm alone. You need a referral system. Just jump onto Zomato career page. Just try to search different positions. Nope, you are not going to get any. Why? Because they hire directly through referrals. Same follows with different product based companies. If you try to apply on Amazon right now, chances are you are not going to get a reply for the next 4 months. And this happens every time with different set of student. Why? Because 60,000 students are applying, 50,000 students are applying for very few limited position. And usually what happen is the referral system is going to work well. Now here I am going to divide two parts. The first one private college, the second one the old IITs or NITs or basically government college. Now here the difference is with the alumni network with NITs, IITs, it is easy to get referral. You have friends that are working with Flipkart, friends that are working with Facebook, Amazon, with internships and lot more. So you have a proper referral system. You have a proper placement system actually. But when I talk about this entire set of private college, you don't have a referral system. You don't have a alumni network that is strong. So at this point of time, even if you can complete data structures and algorithm courses, even if you complete maybe 100 lead code questions, you need to understand this particular topic. This data structures and algorithm is not the final thing. You need to get a referral. And this is the biggest trap. Most students are just blindly following 250 question, 450 question. And the YouTubers are correct. They are giving you the right questions. They are giving you the roadmap. The courses are correct. They are giving you the knowledge. The platforms are correct. They are giving you a place to practice, to learn. But the problem is why you are learning when you don't have any understanding of where to apply the skill. Now there is some other part also. I know this is turning into a rant, but I need to just guide you that you don't have to get into this trap every now and then. Let's talk about the second part. You don't have any direct implementation of data structures and algorithm. That's it. That's the biggest fact. You learn about data structures, you learn about algorithm, but you cannot apply them directly. You need a language, you need a ecosystem towards that language, you need a framework when you are working on a project, and then data structures and algorithm can be treated as an additional value to improve your code base, to improve all the things that you are working with in terms of speed as well as space. But to reach that stage, you need a language, you need a framework, you need a development environment, and you need to learn that. Most students are directly jumping onto data structures and algorithm. I'm talking about the private college student. If you want to jump onto this, make sure you cover the basic of a language, make sure you cover the advanced part, make sure you build some projects, make sure you make yourself ready with development part. Once that is done, then jump onto this data structures and algorithm part. Otherwise, you are getting into a trap. The problem is when you are going to apply for a job, and in most of the product based companies, if you get a referral, that's good. You are going to get data structures and algorithm utilization at this point of time. But if you are not going to get into this product based company bubble, you are going to get into any type of startup, any type of service based company, any type of other product based companies which directly define their jobs as Python developer, their jobs as JavaScript or React developer or Django developer. At that point of time, your data structures and algorithm skill are not going to be utilized. You need that Python Django skill. You need that JavaScript React skill. So make sure you understand this point. Remember, still a big set of startups try to hire directly with skill set. So you can directly apply to jobs that is referred as Python Django developer. You can apply to jobs that is referred as JavaScript or React developer. And you still need basic of data structures and algorithm for interview purpose. But you don't need to solve 100 questions, 50 questions or a roadmap of 250 questions. It's a trap. Make sure you understand about this as early as possible. I am not discouraging you to leave data structures and algorithm. I'm just giving you an advice that make sure you also create a profile towards development and make sure you plan things. Plan about referral. Try to give more input towards LinkedIn. Try to create connections towards maybe Zomato, maybe other product based companies, and try to avoid these traps. You will see one after the other. Make sure to create a plan. I'm not discouraging about data structures and algorithm. I'm discouraging the plan that you are following currently. Make sure you have decent knowledge of the development part. It can be anything. It can be maybe a Python roadmap. It can be maybe a JavaScript roadmap. You can follow any roadmap. I don't have the problem. I have the problem that don't trap yourself into just data structures and algorithm. Yeah, this was the biggest scam of 2020, the data structures and algorithm trap. Remember, I'm not trying to defame any YouTuber or any course or any platform. I have my own course on data structures and algorithm, so I'm following the same path. But the problem is with students. You don't have to dive deep with data structure like this, the ecosystem that we are following. Their advice is correct. Almost every YouTuber is giving you the right advice. The problem is, do you need that path at this point of time? Just check yourself, check your condition at this point of time according to your college, the company you are applying, the placement session that you are going to have. Make sure you check all these things before diving deep into this data structures and algorithm trap. I hope that's enough for this video, and I had my own rant about DSA. That's all for this video. I hope you had great learning session. Make sure to add a like. It will help me a lot to fight this YouTube algorithm. Make sure to comment. Maybe you are not agreeing with me. Maybe you have more points to add, or maybe you just want to boost my video in YouTube. Just add a comment. It will help me to improve my reach. Also, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I see you guys in the next one.